Ridstar electric bike 26-inch folding Ebike 1000W 48V 14AH IPX7 waterproof mountain electric bicycle. Main features: powerful performance. Equipped with a 1500W brushless motor, the bike can reach speeds up to 37 miles per hour and has a torque of 80 Nm, allowing you to easily conquer 30-degree slopes and providing enough power to get you where you need to go. Efficient Shimano gears. The bikes for adults feature a 21-speed Shimano gear system, with a front derailleur Shimano 3-speed and a rear derailleur Shimano 7-speed, allowing you to efficiently conquer any terrain. Long-lasting battery. The 48V 14AH removable and lockable battery is UL certified and can be quickly charged in 4 to 6 hours, providing up to 58 miles of range. Perfect for a day of adventure or most commutes, the bike is also IP54 waterproof. Comfortable and safe. The adult electric bicycles has 26-inch x 4.0-inch fat tires, providing better traction and a smoother ride, and dual suspension, front fork and rear shock absorber, to reduce bumps on rough roads. It also has 3 riding modes: hydraulic dual brakes, a bright LED headlight, horn, and taillight, as well as a high-quality LCD display screen showing your speed, battery level, and distance traveled. Convenient city commute e-bike. Designed with foldable functionality for easy portability on the go. Equipped with front and rear mudguards to assist with daily rides, our bike also comes with a phone mount and charging port for added convenience. Plus, our adult-sized electric bike includes a rear rack for effortless shopping or package transport. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more complete details or want to buy the product, please copy the link in the description or in the pinned comment.